Okay, here's the tank. 14-gallon Oceanic BioCube. Set it up about 3 months ago. Here's my little frag of a toadstool mushroom coral. It's still shedding its skin, so that won't be out for another week. And there's what is it? Right there. It's the pink star polyps I've fragged because I don't want them because they do spread pretty quickly. Polyps are not out right about now, so hey. Hermit crab. It's my Rickordia, orange Rickordia. It's pretty nice looking. I've had it for a little while now. So there's my Scooter Blenny, some male Scooter Blenny. Pretty cool. I just added some pods to my tank recently for him. And here's my Hydor for flow. I only turn it on at night. I have it on a timer, so it comes on at night. I just have it on now because I just did a water change, so it could cycle through. My Margarita snails, Hydor, the water deflector. Doesn't really do much for gas exchange for the surface, so that's why I kind of put the Hydor on. Yeah, it works. And maybe I can get a shot of it. There we go. This is the main filtration system. I have just a real simple setup. It goes filter bags, and then it goes down to my refugium. Now I'm sick of this because everybody never calls it the correct name. This is the Xenomorpha, this grass right here. It's not called macroalgae or whatever. It's known as a Xenomorpha, so anyone watching this video get it right, so it pisses me off. And I got probably about 3 pounds of live rubble in here. My little perch light compact, keeping the light on it. If we go up in, we just got the simple compacts, no modifications, really didn't bother. So overflow, I snugged my heater, I don't know if you can see, right down in there. Yep. And that's the tank. Subscribe to my videos.